Hello, welcome to More Sound. This is our new product preview. First we have this Vintar Euro plug to US style plug adapter. This just converts the plugs. It doesn't actually convert the voltage or frequency of the power supply. And then we have this generic alarm clock radio. There's the specs on it. It takes a 9-volt battery. And the radio works. I have it tuned to a YouTube safe station. I'll do a full review of this eventually. Next we have a GPX alarm clock radio. I'm trying to see what the model number is. I don't see it. This one has a dimmable display. And the radio works. Yeah. It's not very loud. And then we have a Timex alarm clock radio. This model number is T231Y. If I can find the radio button here. This one has aux input. Don't have AM transmitter. Here we have some Sharp clocks. The model number on this one is SPC026. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the camera or not. And we have, this one does not have a radio built in, so and you can see your basic alarm clock controls here. We have another Sharp clock, and this one has USB ports. Model number on this one is SPC189. Some information about that. The controls for this one are actually on the back. We do have 2 more products to show. Also, in that same collection, I have a Westclox Dialight analog clock. Can't really see any of the information because they put a sticker on top of it. And just your basic controls. Next we got this cool product, the Nightlight. Probably shouldn't shine it directly into the camera. This is meant to stay on the wall, and it's supposed to shine disco colors onto the wall. Trying to see if I can see any information. Here's a little sensor for the light. If I put it up to the light, it turns off. I can find some information about that. Yeah, here's some information about it. I'm not sure if we're actually going to sell this product. I just thought it looked cool. Get them all in here. Here are all the products. That's it for this new product preview. This is a new series at More Sound. And thank you for watching. And please buy from our stores. They will be linked in the description. Goodbye.